Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And today, as you can see, the mini bug garden on my front porch has gone through some changes, as you can see, because of many of the plants in my bug garden died because the because the summer heat has been brutal here in Florida this year. Ferns were overtaking it, and I wasn't watering it as much as I should have. So I got some new pitcher plants and some sundews this time. I got three Sarracenia. This one is a hybrid of Minor and Flava. This one here is a Flava red throat because of when they get when the sun hits them really good, the inside of their mouth here will get really red. And this one here is a very famous cultivar in the carnivorous plant hobby. It's called Hurricane Creek. The original plants for a Hurricane Creek were actually rescued from a site in Hurricane Creek, Alabama. I forget the guy's name, but the site itself does not really exist anymore, and the man rescued the plants that were there and were introduced to a cultivation called Hurricane Creek, and they were crossed with other species, but this is a clone of Hurricane Creek. And this is a Drosera filiformis, and this particular Drosera came along as kind of like a bonus plant with the Drosera. It wasn't planned, but it's a welcome addition. This one here is actually a natural hybrid of Drosera. It is a cross between Drosera filiformis and of intermediate, and this one here is also a Drosera filiformis, and it's the red variety. Filiformis is often called the thread leaf sundew because you can see of how thin the leaves are. And I also got this moss here. Hopefully the moss will cover the soil to help keep the moisture in the bog. That's why I got it. And plus, it's a different variety of Spaniard moss called cinnamon spice. And these are the three Sarracenia that did manage to survive. They're a little worse for wear, but I think they'll pull through with any luck. Berea looks like it's producing some it's producing some new leaves, so this should be okay. And this is, I believe this is Leucophylla, another variety of Leucophylla, but hopefully it'll pull through. And the leaves are still, I'm not going to give up on these three Sarracenia just yet. Hopefully they will pull through. And also the filiformis will produce some of they will go dormant in the wintertime. They will form a resting buds, and from what I heard, the hybrida this is the hybrid here called hybrida will begin to go dormant pretty much before anything else would. And so if you happen to like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.